In a stunning policy shift, US President Donald Trump has announced that all American sanctions on Syria will be lifted. Speaking in Saudi Arabia on his first visit to the region since 2020, Trump called it Syria's time to shine.
I will be ordering the cessation of sanctions against Syria in order to give them a chance at greatness.
The move comes nearly 5 months after the ouster of Bashar al-Assad. His decades-long rule left Syria shattered by civil war. The new president, Ahmad al-Shara, once labeled a terrorist by the US, has been pushing for international legitimacy. Sanctions on Syria began in 1979 and intensified during the civil war, freezing assets, banning trade, and isolating the country globally. While aimed at Assad's regime, they left ordinary Syrians with soaring inflation and shortages. But since taking power, Shara has distanced himself from extremist groups and pledged to protect minority rights. The decision followed discussions with key US allies, Saudi Arabia and Turkey, and was welcomed by the United Nations. The UN has long urged the easing of sanctions to enable Syria's reconstruction. For Syrians, this could mark the beginning of a new chapter. It remains to be seen if President Shara delivers on his promises or slips back into Syria's dark past. Bureau Report, India Today.